This is a factory Dodge Viper V10 powered Dodge Challenger, and it's called the 2011 Drag Pak. It was assembled under the LC22 drag program, and the Drag Pak is essentially a turnkey drag car for NHRA stock and super stock classes, and thus is not street legal. But if you ask me, it's one of the coolest cars of all the domestic, non-street legal factory drag car programs. So that includes Ford's Cobra Jet version, which is based on the Mustang. And of course, Chevy uses the Copo program to build their non-street legal cars. Now, this particular car is actually number 21 of just 70 produced, and they were offered for $85,000 each, which is actually relatively affordable. Certain cars, like the Copo in recent years, had a price of $150,000 each. So this is actually really affordable, especially considering some people sell Viper engines alone for around $15,000. Now, current market values for these tend to trade hands between about $60,000 and $80,000. So obviously the big thing is the Viper engine. So power comes from a Viper 8.4 liter V10, which in Viper form was rated for 600 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque. But in this application, it's received race headers, solid engine mounts, and unique tuning. Now, they actually never released a factory number confirming the numbers, and even the NHRA rating leaves a lot to be desired in terms of what the actual rating for the engine is. A lot of people on the internet can kind of say that it's somewhere in the neighborhood of 900 horsepower, but it's likely more than that given how quickly this thing runs down the quarter mile. On top of that, it's paired with a TCI Powerglide 2-speed automatic transmission, which has a race final drive and line lock, along with underbody changes to actually accommodate a one-piece drive shaft and solid rear axle, which is a change from the street cars, with a strange engineering 9-inch rear end. And with all of that and that Viper V10, it should run a quarter mile at around the 9-second range, and some people have even taken it a bit further to modify the vehicles themselves, with some of those cars running the quarter mile as quick as 8.5 seconds, which is very, very impressive. Now, these cars, when you order them, they come standard as a body in white with pricey options such as colors and graphics. So this red that you see here would have run you an extra $6,800, with the graphics packs having a variety of extra options, including interior options. Now, the body was specially modified for the exterior, as mentioned, underneath, with a variety of lightweight components, including polycarbonate windows, to help save over 500 pounds, bringing the total weight of the car to around 3,200 pounds, making it one of the lightest Challengers available for anywhere, really. The HVAC systems were, of course, left out. It was given a manual steering rack, lightweight drag brakes, the heat shields were removed, it received a fuel cell system, and of course, drag wheels and slicks, a cutoff switch, and more. Now inside, the interior was also lightened with bucket seats, a 6-point harness, light gauges with shift lights, rocker switches, a lightweight interior panels. The rear seats were, of course, removed. It was given a roll cage, and then there were even some other available interior options if you wanted to upgrade it, spend a little bit money, and just go that much further with the car. So there you have it. You have what is a crazy factory Viper V10 swapped Dodge Challenger that can run 9-second quarter mile stock and even faster if you decide to modify it. I'd love to see one of these on the dyno because I think they're fantastic cars, or even something that you think somebody would want to build and take to SEMA. So let me know down below what you think about that car, and if you'd purchase one for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.